Tanya.
I teach CBSE 8 Maths.
I teach CBSE 10th Maths.
Okay, now let's get into the video.
Today we are going to be learning Chapter 14 Statistics, Exercise 14.3, second question. Alright, now let's read the question. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the values of x and y. So there is a data here. So in this data we are supposed to find the value for x and y. They had already given the median here. Okay, they had already found the median here, that is 28.5. The only thing we want to find is x and y. Okay, so how to find it? It is literally easy. So first we are supposed to find the cumulative frequency. So now let us find that. So before finding the cumulative frequency, what is the median formula? Okay, so first of all, now let us write the median formula. Okay, of course everyone knows the median formula is median is equal to L plus N divided by 2 minus CF divided by F and bracket into H. This is the median formula, isn't it? Okay, so since this is the median formula, we have to find L, F, that is frequency, and then N by 2. So of course you guys know how to do that, and then CF, and then one more thing, H. Okay, so these are the values we are supposed to find. So it's literally easy. Why? Because you had already solved the first question, so it's going to be easy. Okay, alright, so now let us find the cumulative frequency. Okay guys, so here now let us find the cumulative frequency, that is CF. Okay, alright, how to find it? It is literally easy. I just told you, write the first number of frequency. So here the first number of frequency is 5. So write that as it is. So now we are supposed to add x plus 5 is 5 plus x. Since it is a variable, now we are supposed to do it like this. Okay, so 20 plus 5 plus x. What is the answer for that? So add the constant term, that is 20 plus 5. So 20 plus 5 is 25, and variable we are supposed to write plus x. Okay, and 15 plus 25 plus x. So 15 plus 25 is 40, and then plus x as it is, that is a variable. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so here next we have y plus 40 plus x. So since y is also a variable, we can write plus x plus y. Okay, since it is different variables, I am just writing plus y. In case if we have x, we can actually solve it, but since here we have another variable, that is y, we just did it like this. Okay, and then 40 plus x plus y plus 5 is, first we shall add the constant term. So 5 plus 40 is 45, and then plus x plus y as it is. Okay, so this is how we find the cumulative frequency. Okay, alright, so here what is the n value? So here the n value is 60. Okay, so remember guys, how to find the n value means the frequency we are supposed to add it. So when we just add all the frequency, we'll get the n value. So here according to the formula, it is n by 2, isn't it? So since it is n by 2, so here the n value is 60. So 60 divided by 2. When we cancel it, 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6, and 0. So here n by 2 value we got it as 30. Okay, alright. So now since you guys know they had already mentioned the median. So here given below, the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. Okay, they had already found the median. The only thing we are supposed to find is x and y. Okay, alright, so 28.5. So where does the 28.5 lies? So here between 20 to 30 only will get 28.5. Okay, so since between 20 to 30 only will get 28.5, I am gonna mark this value. Okay, this entire value. Okay, why? Because they had already found the median, that's why between 20 to 30 only we get 28.5, isn't it? That's why I just marked it like this. So when I just mark, this will be the frequency, and here the upper limit is this one, lower limit is this one. So the lower limit is going to be 20. Okay, so lower limit is 20, and the frequency is also 20. Okay, so now what about the CF, that is cumulative frequency? So the value for cumulative frequency is going to be the previous number of this particular number. Okay, when we just mark like this, something like this, the previous number of this particular number is, so the previous number of for this value is 5 plus x, isn't it? So we are supposed to write 5 plus x. Okay, so remember guys, already they had found the median, means we are supposed to look it from here, that is 20 to 30. Okay, I know it is pretty different from the first question, but when you will solve a lot of questions, no, that time you will get to know. Okay, so remember, whenever in the question they had already mentioned the median, no, you are supposed to see from here. So between 20 to 30 only we get 28.5, and then mark the entire thing, and then the previous number of this particular number only we are supposed to take it as cumulative frequency. Okay, so H, how to find? Upper limit plus lower limit. So 30 minus 20 is 10. Okay guys, so since you guys know we have several values, we got all the values, so we can actually apply that in formula. Okay, so here median they had already mentioned in the question, that is 28.5, and then is equal to L value is 20, and then plus bracket n by 2 value is 30, and minus CF value is 5 plus x. Okay, so bracket 5 plus x, close the bracket, divided by f value is 20. Okay, and then bracket into h value is 10. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do is, now we are supposed to get this 20 to this side. Okay, so when it comes to this side, it changes into minus 20, is equal to bracket 30 minus into plus is minus, so minus 5, minus into plus is minus, so minus x, divided by 20, bracket into 10. So here we can actually cancel the zeros, isn't it? So let us cancel the zeros. Okay, so now what we are supposed to do is, we are supposed to subtract them. So when we just subtract them, we'll get 8.5 is equal to, so 30 minus 5 is 25, and then minus x as it is, divided by 2. Okay, so now we are supposed to do cross multiply. Okay, so when we do cross multiply, we'll get 17 is equal to 25 minus x. Okay, all right, so now let us get this 25 to this side, it changes into minus 25, and then is equal to minus x. Okay, all right, so when we just subtract them, we'll get minus 8 is equal to minus x. Okay, so since we have minus here as well as here, we can actually cancel the minus. So what is the x value? So the x value is 8. But according to the question, we are supposed to find the x and y value. So since we got the x value, we want the y value as well. So it's pretty easy to find the y value. So I'll write this x value here. One second. So we got the x value as 8, isn't it? Okay. So here one more thing I would like to say is, so here we have 60, isn't it? So in the previous question, I just told you guys that, so the last number of CF, so here the last number is 45 plus x plus y. Okay, so that number, no, it will be similar to the frequency total number. So are they similar? No, they are not similar. That means I know you guys might be wondering, I might have done the calculation wrong. No guys, so here if we get to know the x and y value only, we'll get to know whether what is the actual number, isn't it? So to find the actual number, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to write it as it is, that is 45 plus x plus y, and then is equal to 60. Okay, I'll write it like this. Why? You'll get to know. Okay, so now 45 as it is, we know the x value, so we can substitute, that is 8 plus y is equal to 60. So 45 plus 8 is, so 45 plus 8, so 45 plus 8 is 53, and then plus y is equal to 60. Okay, so y is equal to 60 minus 53. Okay, so when we just subtract it, we'll get 7. Okay, so we got the y value as 7. Okay, so now let's come to the conclusion. So here, no, since we got the y value as well as the x value, now I can put it right over here. So 45 plus 8 plus y value, it is 7, isn't it? So 7. So 45, so 8 plus 7 is 15. So when we just add them, we'll get 60. So, in the last value, when we just substitute the x and y value, we'll get 60, isn't it? After adding that, then our answer is correct, isn't it? According to the question, we just found the x and y value. Okay, this is how we find the x and y value. Remember that. Okay. So, in case if you get one value, here I got x at first, isn't it? By using the median formula. After getting the x value, substitute the x value, then you can find the y value. Okay, that is how we find the values. Okay, so since we got the x and y value, here the x is 8 and the y value is 7. So when we just add everything, we'll get 60. Here you can see I just solved it. So I got 60. So the last value we'll get it as 60. So it's absolutely true, isn't it? Why? Because here the last value is similar to the total value for frequency. So this is how we find the difference, those stuffs and all. Okay, so finally we solved it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Bye.